What is up, guys? Chris here, Bear Market Mining. Thanks again for stopping by. So if you're looking to get into crypto mining and want a really easy way to mine and earn Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many more, then today I'm going to show you exactly how we can do that in 5 minutes. We're not going to waste any time. Let's get straight into it. Okay, so step number 1, you're going to need to go to kryptex.com. I'll leave a link down in the description so you can get straight into this. Basically, this is an app that will utilize your GPU and your CPU for mining the most profitable algorithm at the time and let you select whatever payout you like we said, Bitcoin and tons more options. So you'll come to kryptex.com. You'll see I'm logged in here. First thing you'll need to do is click login or sign up, create yourself an account, then click download Kryptex and it will land you on this page right here. We'll then click on download Kryptex and let that program begin. So Kryptex will begin downloading. It'll download the latest files that you need for all the newest miners. Once that download is complete, you'll obviously go through the very standard install process. As we can see, that's done already, and now it's loading itself up. Now, once again, you're going to have to sign in to the program on your PC or laptop, as we're doing here. Enter in your username, enter in your password, click sign in, and we're away. Now, the first thing you can see, it's installing the components for the GPU computing. This is going to be installing the latest miners as it downloaded before. So we'll let this process begin and move on to the next step. Okay, so now that that process is complete, we're going to need to benchmark our GPU and CPU. As we said in the intro, there's a number of different algorithms that it's going to want to check over and give you the most profitability. So this will take about 5 to 10 minutes, but it's very important. I wouldn't recommend skipping any tests because you never know, one coin might be more profitable and hence yield you more reward, whatever that is you're looking to get paid out in. So a few things I want to go through before you get up and start mining. We're going to head back over to kryptex.com, and in our dashboard here, we'll just go through a few of the basics. Firstly, the most important one, payouts. So as we said, there's a number of different payout options you can use: USDT, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, all the sort of big players. You can also get paid in Visa. Paid out in fiat, all that sort of stuff. US dollars are a really good option. So you want to come over to this payouts page, click on Ethereum, which we're going to be mining today, enter in the minimum amount or the BTC amount, whatever you're looking to get payouts in, and enter your wallet address right down here. That's the important part. Once that's set, you can pretty much get started mining, but if you're looking for a little bit more information, they do have some overclocking stuff we can use here. So if you go into the overclocking database, load that up, you can type in what your graphics card is and it will give you some overclocks that you can use. Now for Windows, I'd recommend using MSI Afterburner. I'll also leave a link for this down in the description. But for instance, if you had a 1050 Ti up here, a 4GB, you've got the core, the memory, and the power. So you're basically just reducing your power down if you want to. That's going to be using less power, make you more efficient. Increasing your memory clock up if you want to, and the same with your core clock as well. You then click save, and you're good to go. The overclocks are set, making you as efficient as possible. Another recommendation I'd suggest over on this main page here is we can click right here. We've got the thing called the mining calculator. So we'll click on that, open up that tab, and you can enter in your graphics card to see what your profitability is. So I'm using a 3090 on this computer. Fortunately, I have solar, so I have 0 costs, and you can see what you're making. You can do that with any of your different graphics cards that you've got. So say 44 cents here on Zhash, you've got Fishhash, Ironfish, 41 cents. So a lot of different options. You can just look at this before you start to figure out if it's worth your while. So now that we have some of the finer details set, one more program I want to introduce you to is called CoreTemp right here. This is an app. This is going to let you see your CPU temperatures. Now, this is important because Kryptex will use your CPU alongside your GPU to give you the most profit or revenue as possible. So this is just going to show you CPU temps. Now, if you're looking for a video on how to increase fan speeds and monitor a few more things with your CPU temps, I'll leave a card up above that will tell you exactly how to do that. But once that's all done, we've checked our profitability, we've set our overclocks, we've made sure that our fan speeds on our CPU are high enough to keep our CPU nice and safe. We would simply go back to the page, click start, and it will start calculating the most profitable algorithm at the time and then start spitting out some numbers. So we are up and mining. As we can see, we've entered in our profitability at $20.65 per month. Now on our CPU, our 9950X, this is using the random X Monero algorithm and the Octopus or Conflux algorithm on the RTX 3090. And just like that, we're away and mining, earning passive income. That is going to wrap it up, guys. Wanted to keep it really quick and concise for you. A really good program, a really easy way to start earning crypto, getting paid out in whatever you want. As we saw, there's a number of different currencies that you can use, even fiat currency, US dollars, if that's what you want to get. You think that's a safer bet? Completely up to you. If this video helped you, if you're mining Kryptex, let me know down in the comments. Hit that like button, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.